Congrats, Shubham.
Thank you, sir.
So, how was your experience with BRN?
It was very good, sir. Actually, I liked BRN too much. I have earlier experience with other institutes also.
Okay.
There I have went and got the classes for 2 months or 45 days. There I learned, but that was not up to the mark. When I came to BRN,
Okay.
I have got the basics strong here.
Okay.
I liked BRN because every student get their personal system allocated for 8 hours.
Okay.
They can practice more over here.
Okay.
And the friendly environment with the management and the teacher what we got here,
Okay.
it really helped me to clear all the doubts what I was having during my classes.
Okay.
And then I am looking forward to join the companies.
Okay.
With the help of BRN and the management.
Okay. How did you got BRN?
I got the BRN through the help of internet and with the help of our seniors.
Okay.
They helped me to reach Hyderabad.
Okay.
And take training.
Okay.
When I looked on internet and I searched for the best institute to have training,
Okay.
I got the BRN.
Okay.
And I moved to BRN.
Okay. Already you have done the course in INFOTECH. So and again you done the course in the INFOTECH.
Yeah.
What kind of difference that have been find there?
In Amirpet, when I went to coaching centers, I got the classes for not more than 40 minutes. But when I came to BRN, we get classes for 2 hours on every specific topics.
Okay.
That helped me to get the strong basic knowledge on all the components of. And after that, there we are not getting any system facility where we can do practice.
Okay.
Either we will have 1 or 2 system for every student. It's not possible to work for more hours on that system and to get perfect on the practical. We don't get practical sound over there.
Okay.
But when we come to BRN, here we get system for 8 hours. We can do whatever we want. We can practice hard over here.
Okay.
We can try all this stuff what we are taught over here. So it is really good for us.
Okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for bright careers?
People should come and they should provide all the efforts what they need to. They are getting the best training over here. They will get good idea of all the basics actually.
Okay.
And then they will have good relation with if they will maintain the good relation with all the seniors. Okay. They will surely get good success.
Okay. How was your first day of Shubham and the end day of the Shubham? What kind of difference from your side that you have been observed?
Sir, when I talk about first day, I will be saying that I was not very much comfortable with.
Okay.
But when I talk about the last day, I am strong in basics and I can answer to everyone whatever they will ask. If they will ask to basics at least,
okay,
I am ready to answer everything.
Okay. How is the management and how is the staff over here?
Management is very friendly. I would like to recommend everyone just if they are looking to move forward, they can come and they can at least share their own ideas with them.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.